Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video I'll be teaching you something very important. So if you are serious about getting to the next level in your forex trading journey, you need to watch this video till the end, and please avoid distraction when you are actually watching this particular video, because what I'll be teaching you is something that is premium. Okay, it's something that you're supposed to pay for, but I'm going to break it down to you for free. All right, so let's get right into it. So this thing is called psychological level. Okay, psychological level. You might have heard of it, but you probably don't know exactly what it is. I'm going to be breaking that down in this particular video. Okay, so what are psychological levels? Before I go straight into what psychological levels are, let me give you an explanation when it comes to those that actually move the market. Okay, so big financial institutions like the banks and hedge funds, they are the ones that actually move the market. Okay, hedge funds, banks, etc. Okay, so these financial institutions are the ones that move the market. You and I are just retail traders. Okay, what we can only do if we want to be smart traders is to try to trade along with the banks and the big financial institutions. Okay, we try to trade along with them so that when they move the markets, we also move in the right direction in profit. All right, and one thing that these big institutions use a lot, underline that word, as in they use it a lot, okay, is psychological levels. So what are psychological levels? These psychological levels are special whole number levels. Okay, whole number, they are whole number levels. So these big institutions don't like entering at levels that are kind of how will I put it, they have a lot of fractions to it. Maybe they want to enter gold now, they will come and enter at 26332.123. No, they don't like all these kind of levels. They prefer whole number levels. So what do I mean by this? The levels where these psychological what's it called, these psychological points are usually 0.00 levels. Okay, 0.00 levels, meaning if they want to enter probably 2654, it's going to be 2654.00, or if they want to enter 2348, they will enter 2348.00. okay, that's one of the psychological levels. It must always have 0.00, no unreasonable decimals there. Okay, that's the first level you need to know. Another one you need to know is the 50% level. So they can enter at 2382, for example, 0.50, because this 0.50 is like between 2382.00 and 2383. all right, so you now have 2382.50, like half of that, you understand, depending on the pair. Okay, depending on the pair they are trying to enter. So you need to do your own calculations when it comes to the kind of pair you are dealing with. The basic idea is what I'm just trying to give you. It should be either a whole number, okay, or half or quarter. These are the three things. Okay, it's either going to be whole or half or quarter. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have okay, this 2670 right here. Okay, let's say I want to deal with 2670. The whole number for 2670 will be 2670.00. okay, another level that I can take will be 2670.50. okay, another level could be 2670.25. okay, and something else you can also add. Let's say you can have levels like let's say I'm using 2650, for example. Okay, 0.00, I can decide to add 50 to this to make it 2700.00. This will be another level. Okay, still sticking to the 2650 example, 2650. okay, 0.00, I can decide to add 10 to it. Just make sure it's like whole numbers, you don't have unnecessary decimals. And if you must have decimals, let it be 0.50, or 0.25, which is quarter, half and quarter respectively. So 2650, I can decide to add 10 to it to make it 2660.00. Or if I like, I can add 20 to that. Okay, so if I like, I can add 20 to it to make it 2680, sorry, 2670.00. Let me give you an actual example so that you understand it. I don't want to confuse you with just writing on the screen. Okay, so let me get an horizontal line. All right, so this horizontal line now, and the thing is, these levels are usually used as support and resistance most times. So this horizontal line, I can type in 2643.00. Let me edit this line. Okay, I want to edit the line. Pay attention, 2643. Okay, I have 2643 right there. Save. Okay, so you can see how it's balanced with the resistance level, sorry, with the support level. That's 2643, perfectly balanced with the support level, showing you how powerful this level is. Okay, check here. What do you see? 2643.00. That's the level. Let me copy this and then add 10 to it. Edit. I just did 2643.00. I'll add 10 to it, so it will be 10 to 2643 will be 2653. 2653.00. Okay, 2653. Sorry, 2653. The 0.00 is already here. Let me just save it. Good. This is 2653. Look at this. You can see the way price respected it, and that level acted as what? That level acted as resistance right here. So that's the power of psychological level. Now I can also add another 10 to this 2653.00 to make it 2663. Let me copy line and edit. So I want to change 2653.00 to 2663. 2663.00. Save. What did you see right here? Look at the way the 2663 I added now. Look at the way it acted perfectly as resistance level. Okay, so in between 2643.00 and 2653.00, what do you think will be the value? That will be 2648. Why? How did I know? If you add 10 to 2643.00, it will give you 2653, right? So instead of adding 10, I want to add 5, which is half of it. So I'm just giving you an idea of how these levels are plotted. You can blend it in any way you want. Just understand what you're doing. Okay, so now I'll add 5 to that 2643 and make it 2683. You can draw as many levels as possible on your chart and wait for price to come and react on the level. Now you are not using this as your trading strategy. No, you are using it as a confluence in addition to your strategy. Okay, so if based on your strategy, your strategy is telling you to sell around here, and you can see a solid resistance level there, a psychological level there, that's an extra confidence for you to actually sell, and you can see the way it was respected and it moved downward. So without further ado, let me quickly copy this and edit. 2683.00 is what I'm trying to get. I want to get the middle here. So 2683 points. I think my storage is full. Okay, so 2683.00. Where is it? 2683, 2653. Okay, it's not, is it added already? I can't find 2683 here. Okay, let me copy it again. I can't find it. Let me copy it. 2683, 2683. Save. 2683. I don't know why it's not adding. Let me go back. 2683. Or should I add it manually? 2683 should be somewhere around here. Oh, I made a mistake. I was adding 2683 instead of 2648. I'm trying to get what is in between 2643 and 2653. So that should be 2648. So the 2683 I've been adding is going to be far above. Let me look. Okay, look at it here. 2683. Okay, look at it right there. Okay, it's not there. It's not there. All right, let me just quickly edit this to 2648. 2648. 2648. Okay, 2648. This is what I need actually. Save. 2648. Okay, so I've gotten my 2648, which is what I was trying to do. I don't know, I got confused because of this what's it called, this pop-up telling me that my storage is full. So this is 2648. As you can see, look at what's happened. See the way it was respected. Price bounced on that level. So these levels are levels that big players use a lot. So if you go back, if you move back like this, you would see those levels being respected. Look at what's going on here. Okay, bounced off of that level. Let me move back a bit. See the way the level is being respected right here. Okay, let me move back. See the way the level is being respected right here. So these levels are very important levels which you can use to trade. As you are moving back, you see that it's going to be respected, and also in future it will also be respected. So you just need to place them. Remember, you need whole numbers, then you can go in between with halves. Okay, you can see what I did between 2643 and 2653. Instead of adding 10, which will make 2643 2653, I added 5, which is half of it. So you can play with that depending on the pair you are actually dealing with. I would have loved to give you more examples, but my storage is full. I have a lot of things on this particular device. So if you got any value, please subscribe. If any part is not clear, you can ask in the comment section. I'll do my best to actually answer. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.